What if you could turn any random idea into a fully finished video? We're talking ads, promos, or user-generated content in seconds. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI-powered platform that lets you create videos, images, ads, and even avatars. Pippit AI's agent mode lets you type out any idea you've got in mind and instantly turns it into a polished, ready-to-share video with visuals, script, voiceover, the whole works. Whether you're making content for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or creating an advertisement, Pippit gets the job done. No editing skills, cameras, or complicated software required. All right, to get started, just head on over to Pippit.ai. Go ahead and sign up and sign in, and you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can jump straight into the following. We've got marketing video, avatar video, AI talking photo, AI design, product photo, and product showcase. Now we're gonna head on over to the left-hand side and click on video generator. And we're gonna generate our first output, making sure we've got agent mode selected right here. With Pippit's video agent, it's like having your own personal production team. Just type your idea, and it creates a ready-to-share video in seconds. Now here's where the magic happens. All you gotta do is type out any idea you have in mind right in the chat box here. Now before you punch in your prompt, you do have the option to upload a few assets. You can enter in a product link right here. So this is where you can enter in your link, and Pippit AI is gonna go ahead and analyze it and give you even more personalization. We can upload media by clicking right here. So for example, uploading reference photos of our product, and we can upload documents as well. Now for the first demo, I want to make a quick marketing promo style video. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt right here. I want to create a cinematic 15-second ad for a luxury perfume. Use elegant slow motion visuals with soft lighting and atmospheric background music. I'm also going to add a second part as well. So let's go ahead and paste this. Add a smooth, sophisticated voiceover. And right here is the voiceover that I want the AI to say exactly. All right, my prompt is looking really good, but I'm going to come on over to the media section because I'm going to upload a picture. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's click on upload from computer. All right, now we can see a tiny little thumbnail of my image right here, just letting us know that it is uploaded. Let's come on over to the bottom right and click right here. We have a few more options as well, including if we want to use an avatar or not. I'm going to keep this on don't use avatar. We're going to go with English, of course. I'm also going to keep the video length at any length. We can specify the preferred length of our video as well right here. But as I said, I'm going to keep this at any length. Let's go ahead and click on generate. And if we hover our mouse right over here in the top right, we can keep an eye on how fast our video is generating. All right, let's have a look at our video. There we go. Very impressed with my video. It followed my prompt exactly how I wanted it. So as you can see, Pippit goes ahead and analyzes the input, builds the visuals, generates the voiceover, and syncs everything into one ready to post video. Now, if I come down to the bottom left and click on assets, I can see all my previous generations. Now, one thing we can do is come on over to our video and click right here and go ahead and click on edit. Now, once we click on edit, this is gonna go ahead and open up a built-in video editor so we can make tweaks to our video if we would like to. So if we want, we can come down here, and if we click this, we can scrub through our video just like this, and we can make any adjustments. So for example, if I wanna go ahead and change the text, let's say I like everything else, but I wanna tweak the text a little bit. I wanna make it a little bit more elegant, a little bit more modern. Let's go ahead and drag our mouse and click like this. Then I'm going to double click right here, and this is going to open up the text bar on the right hand side. And let's go ahead and pick a different text. So I'm going to go with freehand. Let's click this right here. I'm also going to up the size a little bit. Let's go with 15. I'm going to add a glow effect as well. Everything else looks good. Let's click right here. And if we scrub through the timeline, we can see the edits have been made right away in real time. And all we're going to do is export our video right at the top here with our new changes. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's click on download right here. All right, our video is ready to go. I'm just going to drag it onto my desktop, and let's have a look.
Introducing Lumen Essence, a fragrance where elegance meets allure. Notes of jasmine, amber, and velvet musk.
Right, that is looking great. I'm going to close the editor for now. We are back on video generator on the left-hand side. Now for this next one, we're going to go with something completely different. This one isn't going to be marketing related whatsoever. I'm just going to go ahead and drop in a fun prompt. So here is my prompt. A cat hanging out next to a warm cup of coffee, enjoying the sunlight, no voiceover, calming music. And I'm going to come to the bottom here and make sure don't use avatar is selected. So let's do that. Don't use avatar. And we're going to keep the video length on any length as well. So let's go ahead and click on generate. And just like that, Pippit creates a fun little clip and it follows my directions again accurately. Now for the third demo, we're going to take the same idea, but we're going to switch things up. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask Pippit to recreate the morning coffee routine cat video, but in a Pixar art style. So once I click right here, this is going to open up my prompt history. So I'm going to click on this prompt right here. So this is the exact prompt that I want to go ahead and retool a little bit. So let's just come right over here and we're going to add a little addition. I'm going to say in Pixar art style. We're going to keep everything else the same. Let's go ahead and click on generate. So there is our cat video in a Pixar style, and it does again an excellent job in following our guidance. And this just really goes to show that Pippit isn't just all about creating marketing videos. You can leverage tons of different styles, including cinematic, anime, retro, cartoon. You can also choose voiceovers in multiple languages. This platform is going to be ideal for marketers, creators, or anyone building UGC content, especially if you want to limit video editing. Now it is time for some final thoughts. Pippit AI is a solid option for anyone looking to create videos with simple prompts. And if you'd like to give it a try, you can use the code Pippit45 off for a limited time 45% discount. Just head on over to Pippit.ai. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. And with that, good luck and have fun with your creations.